everyone, this is Dheeraj. Welcome to our channel DSquare Vlogs. On the occasion of Diwali, I am going to show you another craft, that is wall hanging craft. So for this you need scissors, 8 to 10 circles, a square paper, wool. Okay, now just roll it and then stick it over here. Apply it with your finger. Okay. Now roll it and stick it. Okay. Now leave it aside and then take the circles and then one by one just fold it into the middle. Now the half fold paper circles are ready. Now take the roll and apply glue here. Okay, just apply little glue, spread it and stick it in the middle, stick it in the center of the roll. See, like this. Open it, crease it, then take another roll and apply glue over the side of the paper. See. Okay, then take the other roll, apply glue like this. Only everything you have to do. Okay. Okay, after sticking all the circles, it looks like this. Okay, now let's decorate. I took 2 strips of glitter paper and stars. Now take glue and apply it on the glitter paper. Okay. Now stick it onto the roll top. At the top you have to stick it. Just turn it around. Okay. I just pasted the glitter paper top and below. It looks nice. Now let's decorate it with stars. So this is how it looks after decorating. Now we have to stick thread. So we need 2 small waste pieces to secure it. Okay, now I'm going to stick it here. Just do like this, apply glue and stick it inside the row. Okay, after decorating with stars and all, it looks like this. Now I have made another one for you with different color papers. See, both looks like this. Nice, right? I hope you enjoyed this video and I wish you a very happy advanced Diwali. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Click all options to receive notifications. Bye bye.